Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download, install, and fully configure FFmpeg on a Windows PC the right way. Let's get started. Open any search engine or google.com. Type FFmpeg in the search box. A list of websites links will be displayed. Click on the official link, which is FFmpeg.org. When the homepage opens, option for download is displayed. There are three icons given. One is to download FFmpeg for Linux, the other for Windows, and the third one for Mac OS. Hover the mouse over Windows icon. As you hover the mouse, the links beneath the icons change. With Windows, there are two links given. Click on gan.dev. A web page open. It seems blurred, but it is this page style. Click on ffmpeg.git.full. It is a zip file. The download process has been started. The file size is almost 55 MB. Once finished, go to the download location and unzip the files to C drive. In our case, we are copying the zip folder to C drive and will extract the files in C directory. It is must. Right-click and unzip the folder. You should have WinZip, 7-zip, or any extraction software to extract the files. Open the extracted folder and there should a folder named bin. Open bin folder and confirm that the folder contains these three files. Now come back and rename the folder. Give it a simple name. I am just giving FFmpeg. Now go to the bin folder and select the path by clicking the top address bar and then copy. In the Windows search bar, search for environment variable or write just the word path. And click the Edit the System Environment Variable. This will open the System Property window. Click on Environment Variable button. Select Path. And click on Edit. Click New. And paste the path you have copied before. Click OK. Again OK. The process is complete. Now it is time to check it. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Write the command FFmpeg. And if you see output like this, congratulations, it is installed and configured. Another command you must try is FFmpeg codecs. And you should see the list of all the codecs. Now the coming videos are about how to use FFmpeg. Thank you and subscribe to this channel to get more videos.